Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Kalia, not Kalia, not Kalia, not Kayla, Kalia. Oh my gosh, y'all, I haven't been on YouTube in maybe 6 decades, maybe. I'm gonna do a get ready with me and talk to y'all about my life, because why not? But I have some points that I wanted to get to, so I'm gonna pull them up on my phone before I you know. Moisturizing first with Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel. I miss you guys so much. I miss being in front of a camera so much. And since all my faves are quitting, I was like, I need to bring myself back and be somebody else's fave, because gosh, these YouTubers ain't reliable no more. Like, who am I supposed to go to? Like, so you guys know I'm blind, so I have to have a mirror right here. That's where I'm looking if I don't look in a camera. But like I said, a lot of YouTubers that I like are quitting. I don't know how to feel about that. And even though it's not my place to have feelings because it's their life, I'd be like, you know, those are my comfort YouTubers, and like, everyone's gonna leave, and I might have been someone's comfort YouTuber. If I wasn't, then I know I was finding comfort in YouTube. So I just needed to come back, get more active. This stuff made me happy, so editing makes me happy. The newest addition is a nose piercing, y'all, on Wednesday. It is now Friday, April 2nd, day after April Fool's. I'm using the Miss AOA Studio Brow Pencil for my eyebrows. But how have y'all been? I am currently in the state of moving to a new house, a brand new house. The only house I've ever known in Texas is the house that I was living in before. And now we're moving into a different house, so they're still making some finishing touches for the house. So we're currently staying in a hotel. The house should be done soon, and I'm gonna take advantage and make an entire moving series, because this is the first time I'm ever gonna have my own room, y'all. Can you believe that? The first time I'm ever gonna have my own room, and I'm 18 years old. Actually, since we've talked last, a lot has been going on. I got a new job. This is this is too light. The e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Conceal is what I use under my eyes, and not on the front of it, just the tail of my brow. When I have lashes on, I don't put stuff on my eyelid, and I don't want that harsh of a line on my front of my eye. So YouTubers never talk about how hard Get Ready With Me's are to edit. I mean, they're not that hard to edit, but like, not everything can be in the video at all times. Every single time I make a Get Ready With Me, I always have to cut stuff out. They're so stringent and stressful, and then by the time I'm like in the middle of it, stuff in the video has already changed. I need more of the e.l.f. primer spray. Now that I'm done going off script, the stuff that I wanted to tell you about are, firstly, I got a new job. I'm working as a pharmacy technician. That's the job I had originally planned on doing when I got out of high school. It didn't go as planned, but now I'm working as that, and they barely give me hours. I was happy to get the job, and then I don't get any hours. It's like, I like the job. I feel like it's a good job for out of high school students for sure. So other than the new job, I obviously get my lashes done on a regular basis now. I can insert a clip of the first time I got it done and what happened and how bad it was, and I'll insert the clip. Y'all, I'm literally the worst YouTuber ever. I haven't seen y'all in how many weeks, and this is how I'm doing my introduction. Let me turn towards the light. I'm getting a lash appointment today because spring break has motherfucking started. But let me do my intro. It's your girl Kalia, not Kayla, not Kylia. Kalia, welcome to my channel.
Ain't you scared to lose her? Why you acting like another man wouldn't choose her? You know she the only true girl.
Just wanted to record. I just left the lash place. My eyes are burning, so I want to give it a moment. As you can see, my eyes are watering and everything. I don't think this is normal. My eyes are burning really bad. They ain't never done all this before. My eyes already water a lot. Like, when I have regular lashes on, my eyes water a lot. Like, if you know me, you know. So I never even like keep minks on for that long. But whenever I usually get my lashes done, it don't be doing all this. They're burning. I have clips of me at my new job. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I picked up a motherfucking camera. I know you guys miss me. Before I cue this intro, I want you guys to know that these videos are like snippets from videos that I was gonna post, which is why the intro keeps queuing. But cue the intro.
Ain't you scared to lose her? Why you acting like another man wouldn't choose her? You know she the only true girl.
I can't start off this video saying today. No, we gotta do a different intro. But hey guys, it's Kaylia. Welcome back to my mother channel. Kaylia, not Kalia, not Kylia, not Kayla. There's an I. That's gonna be my new intro. You see me in scrub. You ain't never seen me in scrubs on my channel before. If you're new, definitely haven't. If you're old, you def haven't, because this is my new job. Forgot to give y'all a life update, okay? I just missed a FaceTime call from the girls. Ew.
Hello.
You're funny.
Girl, you got your scrub on?
Like, fuck that. I'm not wearing makeup today. Y'all be safe. Fragrance of the day. Wait, let me get the lid because this look a little bit ghetto. Okay. I saw this TikTok post and it was talking about how people know where to wear Bath and Body Works and where to wear designer perfume. Babes, who's gonna tell them? Bath and Body Works is not perfume, bro. That's body spray. I still don't have pants. It's literally been a month and I still don't have pants for work. Like, what are they trying to say? All right, y'all. The lighting right here is horrible. Right here it's good. But I just made it to work. It's 4:58. Oh, it's 5 o'clock and I go in at 5. I should probably change the time on my dashboard. But I love how I look in this camera. I look like I'm ready to go work, even though I don't want to go to this. I don't want to go in. There's nothing at work to vlog, and honestly, I'm not allowed to vlog in there. It's literally against the rules. There's so much info in there that can just be, you know, taken the wrong way, given into the wrong hands. So I'm gonna get in there. I'm a minute late at the moment. Yeah. Hey y'all, I got off work. I forgot to tell y'all when I got off, but it's not that bad. I still just got off. I'm in front of Crumble right now and on FaceTime with, oh, Raph is calling me, Jojo. Hello? I went to Crumble, but what do you want to do? Maybe I should be driving back towards you. He said please hold.
Oh, yeah.
He wasn't asking you. He said please hold. Okay?
Oh, I want some chicken fried wings.
Hey y'all, we back home after work and look at Miss.
Girl, why you always put me on this thing when I don't look good?
I have work tomorrow morning and here I am acting like a fool. Like I don't have work tomorrow morning. Let me go to sleep. I have clips of everything, like just sitting here, and I'm gonna insert that into this video. You see how everybody in my house just doesn't accept me as a real YouTuber until I go famous, you know? Finna go see my boo thing. We're supposed to go to main event or something. I'll see what happens. That's what TikTokers do. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Hey, it's been a day. Yeah, it's bad. I suck at this. But the update. I was gonna use that to make like a little diary type beat. Like what's the video diaries that people do now? I have been planning on doing video diaries for so long. I hate when like creators end up doing something, like bigger creators end up doing something that I've been wanting to do for so long. It just seems like I'm copying them, which sucks, but that's what you get when you don't get your stuff out on time. Even though video diaries have been out for a while, I just feel like me doing it now that other bigger creators are doing it, it just seems a little, como se dice, unoriginal. And unoriginality is a turnoff for me, guys. Trying to get the perfect match for my skin by mixing a lot of foundations together. And it seems like when I mix the 375 Maybelline with the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation 360W, seems like I get those best results. So I'm gonna keep doing that. A brush, I use a brush. What's the next thing on the list? How is school going? Cause I am a college student, and college students kind of make that their entire personality on YouTube, and I don't, because college just been sucking recently. I haven't really been motivated. Can't really tell my mom that. She's African, guys. Can't really talk about me being unmotivated, but that's something that college students really need to talk about. Why is it at a certain time everybody wants to quit, like at the same time? Like, oh my gosh, I swear my face. Okay, let's move this back a little bit. I swear my face is not this red in real life, because this looks horrible right now. People don't really talk about how hard college is. College is hard. It matches my chest, but my neck is where it, like, kind of looks like I have a mask on, but we're gonna fix that with some concealer. But anyways, back to what I was saying. College truly is hard, but for me, I know I could be doing more. So it's not like a thing where I'm like, it's really hard, it's unbearable, you know, because I could be doing more. I know I've taken accountability, and I know I could be doing more, but at the same time, college truly is hard. Imagine being the typical college student, right? You don't have money, and not everybody is blessed enough to have a parent like me that buys all their stuff for them. Their school stuff, they don't have to worry about their school stuff, but everything else, car, everything else, I pay for it. And it's just like, which one do you put first? And when do you know when to put it first? When do you know when to put work first? I mean, it's always school first, but like, I just feel like I'm talking. I don't know, maybe if somebody watches this and they understand, like, when do you know when to put what first in your life? Like, I know everything has its time. It's taking, wow, this looks so bad. Just bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Bear with me. I feel like one of those African witches. It's embarrassing. School is hard. I'm doing semi-good. I was told the contour needs to go higher than your cheek. I hope this doesn't look too bad on camera. Right now, on my end, it looks horrible. Yeah, my grades are not doing so hot at the moment, but I have it in my head that I'm gonna be doing so much better. Consistency with everything, like a life change needs to happen before summer, because I can't go into summer the same girl that I was when I went into summer last year. Like, when I came out of summer last year, like, I might need to take off some of the contour. My social life, and how it's like perfectly fine at the moment. A girl's social life is perfectly fine at the moment. I have been doing hood rat shit. Probably why my grades are not looking so hot, but judge no one, okay? Judge no one. Mind your business, enjoy the content. No, but no, for real, I need to get my life together. My social life is great though. I never talk about my love life on here. I am taken by the money. I'm taken by the money, okay? I am indeed taken by the money. I'm also kind of in a rush while trying to do a talking get ready with me. I'm also on a road to trying to better myself. So I recorded a little me basically playing my playlist for y'all, and I'm like sitting in the car like afterwards thinking like, oh my gosh, these songs are all songs that I know by heart, and I want to expand my music. I am open to any type of music, any genre, but for some reason I still end up listening to the same few songs, and that is not me. Just talking about anything at this point. My money managing skills are absolutely atrocious. They're atrocious. My money managing skills are atrocious. Wow, I could have done my makeup in this lighting. That's crazy. I really do not need a light, but I need the light for my site. I guess I should just do my lip combo now. Yeah, my money managing skills horrible. I have a savings, but I have a savings that I almost never touch. This week I'm just touching it because I am not working at all this week. It's ridiculous. Like, that's how I was saying, like, I got this new job, so excited about it, and then I never get scheduled, like, ever. And it's kind of like, I don't know why the video turned off, stop recording. You know what I just realized? YouTubers used to say that all the time, and I'd be like, okay, why is the video not recording anymore? Get it together, like, fix it. But I don't know, my video be turning off. That's weird. I'm gonna try one more setting spray. Oh, wow, okay. Just for some extra security. I just wanted to let you guys know that I am back. I'm back and I'm better. Will forever be doing the best that I can ever for my YouTube channel because we deserve that. I can turn that off now. And then for the big kahuna. People always ask me, are these prescription? Yes, these are prescription. I'm blind as a bat. I cannot see myself right now. And that's the end look. Am I going for hair down today? Up? It's honestly giving up. Let's go in the light so I can show y'all. Maybe that's too much lighting. Thank you guys so much for watching this life update. If you cared, here's the fit. A little something that I kind of wore on my birthday already, but never took pictures in, so we're gonna get those pictures today. Oop, not the camera going down. Follow a girl's TikTok. Follow a girlie's TikTok. And we out.